Hello everyone, welcome to Shandong Longze machine. Now I'm going to introduce our blade sharpener machine to you. This is our blade sharpener, and this machine usually works together with our wood chipper. As you know, the wood blade is working inside our wood chipper, and this cutting blade is made by a high resistance alloy steel. For raw material, for example, like soft wood, the blade usually will be sharpened every 1 week. If your material, the wood logs or wood slab, wood waste, it's hardwood, usually you need to sharpen the blade every 3 days to 5 days. If for manually grinding this cutting blade, it will be a very tough work. But if you have our blade sharpener, it will be easy for you to do this work. As you can see, this is the complete unit of our blade sharpener. Usually you will put this cutting blade on this plate fixed with a screw, and here has an grinding wheels. This grinding wheel will grind this blade more sharpened. Usually this blade sharpener will work together with a pneumatic pump. Here we also fit with the air pipes for you, and you need to prepare the pneumatic pump from local. For this blade sharpener, usually you need about 3 to 5 minutes to finish the big blade grinding work. It will be easy for you to operate your wood chipper. Okay, everyone, this for the introduction about our blade sharpener. If you have interest with our sharpener machine, please contact with us. Thanks for watching today's video. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.